This is gonna completely revolutionize the way that you do breakfast in the backcountry. Today we're going to be making mango coconut oatmeal, and this is a recipe that's inspired by coconut sticky rice, mango coconut sticky rice, which is a Thai dessert that I love. And so this has 4 ingredients, and this is sure to get you fueled up for the day to come. We're out here in the Rockwall Trail in BC, and I'm super excited to show you this recipe, but I also got to get going, so let me get into these ingredients. There are 4 ingredients that you're going to want to need for this mango coconut oatmeal. And so the first one here is the dried mangoes. This is 2 dried mangoes that have essentially been chopped up into 1 by 1 little cubes. These are awesome, full of energy. So you're going to want to take that up. You're going to want to bring some instant oats up, and so this is about 3/4 of a cup, which is the right amount for me. Next up, you're going to want to bring up some coconut cream powder. So this you can find at your local Asian grocer, but if you can't, I've linked an Amazon link in the description below for you to one that I've bought before that I love. It's from Maggie, and you just get it and you can package it yourself. Last but not least, the thing that brings it all together is this condensed milk. Normally comes in a can, but I've put it into this little Nalgene container that I love and I love to bring up all the time. So these are leak proof. I've never had one of these leak on me ever, and condensed milk is awesome because it's super sweet, and so it can last 2 to 3 days in the backcountry. And so this is what I'll take to bring it up. In terms of our materials and the things that we need to use to cook, our tools, this is my Jetboil mini mill, which I love because it's got incredible simmer control, and all in all, it's just my like go-to cook system for the backcountry. And last but not least is our bowl that comes with my mini mill, but you're gonna want to bring up a bowl if possible, just because it'll help with cleaning and it just be like easier for you when cooking oatmeal in the backcountry. That's it. Let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to be doing is adding our water into our pot. So for me, I think that's looking like around 250 to 300 milliliters of water. And then we can just get our stove going and get that into a boil. Next, while our water is boiling, we're going to add in our oatmeal into our bowl here. And then you can just keep your Ziploc as a garbage bag for all the other things that you're gonna use. While our water is starting to come to a boil, the next thing we're gonna wanna do is get our coconut milk powder into our oatmeal. The whole packet works just fine. This is 60 grams of coconut cream powder. I do it in here to kind of keep everything clean. Now that our water has boiled, we've got our coconut milk powder in here and we have our oatmeal in the bottom. We can just add in our water. And just like add your water as you see fit. People like their oatmeal in different consistencies. I haven't fully added all the water yet, but we'll see if I feel like I need to add more. And as your oats rehydrate as well, you'll see more of the liquid kind of get absorbed into the oats. So just be aware that you don't need to pour the whole thing in right away. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our dried mangoes into our oatmeal. And you can mix these in if you want, or a little cold, or you can just leave them on top. And then what you're gonna want to do is add in your condensed milk. So this is how you make a mango coconut oatmeal. So now the last thing to do is just eat it, get fueled up, and then hit the trail. Cheers. I love this. So, if you want to see more meals like this, comment, like, subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video.